welcome back to my channel. Yes, I am sharing with you guys another HelloFresh box. Husband wanted to get another box right away, so I'm like, whatever, if you want to get another box, go for it. What I like to do is I had scissors and I lost them. What the heck? I lost my scissors. But what I like to do is share with you guys what I get in the box. If you guys are interested in getting HelloFresh, you can. Now, I'm going to tell you right off the bat, now HelloFresh does not send these to me. I do this on my own. But HelloFresh, I think, is kind of expensive. I'm going to tell you guys that right off the bat. I would never pay full price for this. The reason why I get these is I have credit, so I end up just getting more boxes with my credit. But I will never pay full price for this. But they do have a deal that I say you guys should definitely try. And you can get your first box for $19.94. So it's technically $59.94 or $59.95. But with my referral link, you guys can get it for $40 off, getting your first box for 20 bucks. So I say go for it, just try it for 20 bucks and then cancel it. What I do love is I get to try meals that I've never tried before. I've learned new techniques on how to cook stuff. My husband has learned a lot from here. Now the recipes can be annoying sometimes and kind of be like, what the heck? Like you have to read it a couple times. But other than that, it's pretty good, and they give you fresh meals. I mean, we've had problems every once in a while with this stuff, but we contact, customer service right away, and they help you out. So I'm ready to just dig in and show you guys what we get. Now inside they give you a card of some items. Sometimes it's coupons, sometimes it's random stuff. So wine, which I don't care about. Here we go. Here we got a $10 off of 30 Build-A-Bear coupons, so that's cool. And then they give you guys 3 cards of the meals that you're making. Now one of these meals is a premium meal, so we did pay a little bit more for it. The first meal we're getting is a creamy Tuscan beef and penne with kale and parmesan. I'm actually super excited to try this one, and my tape is stuck on it. I don't want to rip the instructions off. Let me flap that forward, sorry. But we got that one. And the next one we got is Melty Monterey Jack Burgers with red onion jam, garlic mayo, and crispy baked zucchini. So that's something different, but hey, I'll give it a try. And then this is the premium one, so this one we paid a little bit more. Now the ones that you pay a little bit more run from $5.99 to $7.99 a person, so it's still good to try it. And then now they recently added where you can get candies and nuts and stuff too, so if you guys are interested in that. But ribeye steak with savory mushroom sauce with a cheesy mashed potato. So I love all 3 of those items, so super excited to try those. But I'm going to take this and put this on my lap so you guys don't have to stare at a box. Wow, I can already smell it already. Now, it is so cold outside, I don't even need an ice pack, but you still do it. So right here we got the creamy Tuscan beef and penne. So this has everything inside it. Here we got the ribeye steak, savory, and mushroom sauce. Oh, there's a potato in there. And then here we have the Melty Monterey Jack Burger. So now I can show you guys what's in the bag after I show you guys what's still in the box. Here we got an ice pack. Now usually these are rock solid, but I think since we're in the winter, it's colder than in here. They didn't probably even give us to it or they didn't give it to an ice. But there is another ice pack down here that's a frozen ice. So, but in here we got 2 different kinds. We got 2 different meals for 2 different ground beefs. This is ground beef, and then we got some ribeye. Yeah, so that's a big steak, big ribeye steak. So that is what is inside the box. And then let me show you guys what's inside this bag. I'm just gonna do the Melty Monterey Jack Burger. So inside the bags, they give you some muffins now, or bread. Now this bread's not super soft, it is kind of hard, so hopefully it softens up a little bit. A zucchini. The one we got last week was actually really soft. Now you could complain about it and they usually just give you guys a credit, so that one feels a lot better. A giant onion. Here we got the garlic. What is this? Panko breadcrumbs. Ketchup. Now, they never used to give you ketchup before. Here we got the cheese. Monterey Jack cheese. Mayonnaise. What is this? Dried oregano. And then vinegar. So they give you everything that you guys need. You just need to, like, sometimes just salt and pepper and butter, milk and stuff. Not always the milk. But that is everything that comes in a HelloFresh box. If you guys are interested, you can definitely click my link to try it for 20 bucks. I say make sure you guys cancel it. I say just try it once. That's all you got to do. But I just wanted to share with you guys on that. I will be showing you guys how these meals turn out in another video later on in the week, and just to let you guys know, I hope you guys enjoyed this, and I'll see you guys all later. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.